In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily check call history on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Instagram app, and once it is done, tap right here at messages icon to head over to your conversations. And now, guys, if I wanna check call history with a particular user, all I have to do is just get into a conversation with them, and here we can check audio and video call history and also our entire conversation as well. Unfortunately, at the moment, there is the only way to check your call history on Instagram, because for some reason Instagram doesn't have a feature where we can see all our call history in one place. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.